Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover payments using Stripe, detailed guide step by step clearly. To recover payments using Stripe, start by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the payments section in your dashboard. Look for the payment you want to recover. You can use the search bar for easier access. Once you find the payment, click on it to view the details. Check the payment status to confirm if it's failed or disputed. If the payment failed, review the failure reason for insights. Consider sending a follow-up email to the customer. Provide them with a link to complete the payment again. If the payment is disputed, gather any necessary documentation. You'll need to respond to the dispute promptly. Navigate to the disputes section in your dashboard. Select the specific dispute you want to address. Review the evidence Stripe suggests submitting. Compile your evidence carefully and submit it through the platform. Make sure to provide clear, concise information to strengthen your case. Monitor the dispute's progress in your Stripe dashboard. If you win the dispute, the funds will be returned to your account. For recurring payments, you may need to reach out to the customer for updated payment information. Provide guidance on how to update their payment method in their account settings. After successfully recovering payments, consider regularly communicate with your customers about payment timelines. Review and optimize your checkout process for clarity and ease. This will help reduce payment failures and disputes in the future. Always stay informed about the latest payment recovery practices offered by Stripe. Utilizing the available resources will greatly enhance your recovery efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.